Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Tonight I'm going to be doing an after dark clean with me. I've got a couple of hours on my own before I pick up my kids from their youth group. I didn't expect to have alone time tonight, so now that I do, I figured I'm going to get in here, get some cleaning done before I go pick them up, and then I will finish this video off with the cleaning after they're in bed. If you guys are new with me, I am Lynn. I am a mom of 5. I do weekly cleaning motivation videos as well as organizing and decluttering, hauls, DIYs, crafts, shop with me's, vlogs here and there, all kinds of things like that. So don't forget to subscribe because I'd love to have you guys join me on this journey. I don't do a lot of cooking on Wednesday nights. It's usually pretty simple, and if the kids are going to be gone, it's very quick. It'll be a sandwich, maybe a pizza in the oven, grilled cheeses, tortillas, things like that. On this particular night, there wasn't many dishes left out, thank goodness, so I'm just taking care of these before they get home. I'm actually playing my Spotify playlist, the same playlist that I play in these videos. I'm actually listening to them because it gives me such good cleaning motivation. I'm going to spray my countertops with the Method antibacterial spray. I alternate between this and my Mrs. Meyer's basil scent. I really like these two a lot. Now I'm going to clean the table off from when the kids were doing their homework before they left, and I'm going to also spray it down with my Method glass cleaner. Here is a verse that I like to keep on my refrigerator, and it just kind of is a great reminder throughout my day. I will wipe all of my appliances down each evening. The microwave stays pretty clean. I made some queso for Noah, so it splattered in there a little bit, so I needed to take care of this evening as well. Am I the only one that has trouble getting that darn glass turntable in there properly? Here's the kitchen all clean. I'm about to head out to go pick up my kids from church. Once they get home, it's pretty much a whirlwind. They'll get a snack because they're boys and they always eat, bath, brushing teeth, and then bed. Now I am back. The kids are in bed and it is really dark outside. I am going to get ready to vacuum the floor a little bit. What I really love about this Dyson V8 is it is not as loud as the V6 I had. Halfway through a bottle, baby, nothing to know. I thought that I could keep it low. Take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before. So take it easy, take it easy. I thought that I could keep it low. Take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before. So
forget.
So I'm going to continue to vacuum out the kitchen, and I'm also going to run this in the living room before I start folding the blankets and putting the pillows back on there. Like I had mentioned, I just like to have everything in order for the next morning. I'm not speeding up this video too much because I want it to be relaxing and I want you guys to be able to clean with me. So I just wanted to let you know, I hope it doesn't bother you that you see me vacuuming for so long, because this is really what I'm doing. If you like my videos like this, kind of slowed down and just more at a slow pace, let me know. If you want me to get on with it and just speed through it, let me know that too. You know, I love to hear your feedback. I love to know what you guys like. So just let me know, because I can't improve unless you guys tell me what you're wanting. Even if you guys aren't subscribed to my channel and you're watching and you see something that you think would make it better for you to want to subscribe or want to stick around, let me know, because I'm open to growing and learning, so I just want to do better. I also cannot believe I am past 5,000 subscribers now. I just am so grateful for this journey, and I never even envisioned myself here. And I'm just really, really thankful to each and every one of you, to all of my viewers and all of my subscribers for sticking with me and being so loyal and just being there. I feel like I have a connection with each and every one of you. I am so thankful for you. I try to talk to you guys and just build a relationship with you guys, because that is what this journey is about for me. I have not forgotten about the giveaway, the 5,000 subscriber giveaway. I have just been so busy, and honestly, it's just going by so quick. So I haven't forgotten. I'm still going to do a farmhouse sign. Let me know if you guys want an everyday sign or maybe fall inspired.
Say that you are the one.
So I haven't vacuumed the couch in a while, and I felt like it needed a good cleaning. So tonight is that night.
I hope that you can stay here. Yeah, you can stay the night. I hope that you can stay with me. Wanna be with you. Do you want me to? Wanna be with you. You're the one that I want. You're the one that I need. You're the one that I want. We can make it tonight. You're the one that I want. You're the one that I need. You're the one that I want. We can make it tonight. If you stay here, it'd be more than okay. 'Cause there's nothing that can stand in our way. If you'd stay here, it'd be more than okay.
You know, I always put my blankets back on my couch. I just want to make sure the boys don't get it too messy. They don't think half the time, and they'll just jump on the couch with shoes on, which I don't really like their shoes on in the house anyway. But you know, things happen. So I'm going to lay all the blankets back on there, and then I got some new pillow covers. I actually got them from Amazon, and they're so soft. They have like a velvet feel to them, just kind of like the IKEA ones there. So I covered my blue pillows with the gray buffalo check because the feathers kept coming out and it was driving me crazy. So I'll alternate those colors here and there. I will add those pillow covers to my Amazon store, which is going to be down below. And if there's anything that you guys want a link for, let me know and I'll make sure I get that. So my playroom here is pretty much a disaster. It doesn't look that bad from this angle, but you don't see all the way over to the wall. It's horrible. I just honestly had to walk out of here, and I'm just gonna have to tackle this a whole nother video of purging out everything because they don't play with half of it, and I'm tired of cleaning up stuff they don't they don't play with, or I'm tired of cleaning up toys that they're not willing to clean up themselves. So I'll be getting rid of that. So wait for that video to be coming out soon. So I picked up the puzzles you saw there, and now I'm just decluttering the desk. There's a lot of stuff that needs to be taken care of. I had to put some printer paper back in here. This is one of the boxes from IKEA, and I have to honestly say I really like the other boxes that I got that I showed in my what was that, the office decluttering video. I will link that above. Yeah, the IKEA boxes just don't hold, and like when I was pulling it out to put the paper in it, it tore. So I don't have time for that. Now I'm just going to clean off my desk. I like to clean my desk. I like to keep it clean, but I will be honest, I am a messy crafter. So as always, I'm just going to finish up vacuuming. This was the last room, and then in the little entryway that I needed to tackle today. This is what I like to do just to feel prepared for my morning when I come out and get coffee. Well, actually, my husband brings me coffee in bed, if I'm being honest with you. But there are some mornings where I do get up before him, and I just want to be able to come out and not see a messy house. It's just a big deal to me. So you know I'm sick if I go to bed with my house looking a mess. Rarely happens. Do not get me wrong. There are nights where things can get left. My kitchen is one thing that will always get taken care of. But you know, the front room, the playroom, the entryway, sometimes those get left behind. I try to keep on top of them as much as possible, so it's not that big of a deal to just come in and clean up real quick, but you know, things happen. One thing that I'll tell my kids, my older kids, I'm like, make the couch look pretty. That's my love language, and they just laugh, and they do. They make it look pretty, and they know I love that. It's just a little thing. Okay guys, this is it. I hope you enjoyed this after dark clean with me. I hope it was relaxing. I hope you guys got some things done as well. If you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I'd love to have you join me on this journey. Don't forget to check out my other playlist and see the other cleaning motivation, as well as DIY and crafts and blogs and other things like that. Also, like this video. Talk to you soon.
And now I'm right back at the start.